you're watching the Issy Missy Show. Today I'm going to unbox 20 vehicles. Let's open the box. Wow! Look at all the cars. There's so many of them. Let's take this plastic off and start showing. Alright, so all the vehicles are in place and out of the box. And there are 20 vehicles. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and the last one is 20. This is a police ambulance. This is a police sword. This is a police car. This is a police report center. This is a police jeep. I'm done with the police vehicles. Now I'll do some of the fire vehicles. This is a fire truck. This is a fire explosive unit. This is a fire command center. Now we've done the police vehicles and the fire vehicles. Now it's time to do the race cars and the vans. This is a race car, yellow race car. This is a race car, blue race car. This is a race car, red race car. This is a race car, white race car. This is a van, blue van. This is a race car, grey race car. This is a race car, a white race car. This is a jeep, a yellow jeep. This is an orange and brown one. This is a car, a red car. All our race cars are done, jeeps and vans. All our police vehicles are done, and all our fire vehicles are done. All of the vehicles are done. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the Issy Missy Show. Bye. I'll be back soon. everyone, my name is Isra and I'm also known as Issy. Today I'm going to open a surprise which I also don't know. But let's find out now. Something princess, party stuff. Third guess, something dinosaur with spikes. Okay, so let's see what it is. Dinosaurs! Ooh, candies inside! My candies! What is lizard? Evidence. Huh? Wait. The dinosaur which I got from the egg. I know about this one. The biggest dinosaur of the moon. No, this was the pterodactyl. There are a lot of them, so we will play with these dinosaurs. So these three dinosaurs will be the dinosaurs' home. We are going to put the dinosaurs in here and here. Let's see these surprises. Here's the lion, which is going to be the friend of the dinosaur. Here is an elephant, which is going to be another friend of the dinosaur. And here is an alligator, which is going to be another friend of a dinosaur. And this is a duck, which is going to be a friend of the dinosaur. And this is a car, which is going to be a dinosaur's vehicle. This is a ship, which is going to be a vehicle of the dinosaur. This is a helicopter, which is going to be a friend of the dinosaur. And this is a scooter, which is going to be a vehicle for another dinosaur. This is corn food for the dinosaurs. Let's keep it in their house. And this is for strawberry, another food for the dinosaur. This is grapes, food for the dinosaur. Carrot, food for the dinosaur. This is pumpkin food for the dinosaur. Banana food for the dinosaur. This is a peanut food for the dinosaur. Give the junk food. Here is a Mickey Mouse candy food for the dinosaur. Here is another Mickey Mouse candy for the dinosaur. But I'm going to eat it. Okay, so this is one dinosaur. This is going to be its home. This is another dinosaur. And this is going to be its door. This is another dinosaur. And I know the name of this dinosaur. A pterodactyl, which is going to be this home. This is the biggest dinosaur of the moon. which is going to be over here. So we have more dinosaurs over here. Bye. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go play with these dinosaurs. Hi everyone. My name is Iswat and I'm also known as Issy. And you're watching the Issy Missy Show. Surprise which I also don't know. So, are you all ready? Let me guess what it should be. I think it's something frozen, which is my favorite. Something Barbie? Cars! Something that I always wanted. So what could it be? Surprise eggs, floating vehicles, a magic set. I guessed too much. Let's open the box. So the set of animals we'll take out first. Next we take whatever this is. It's another box inside. So, we got a lot of stuff and it's a set of the zoo. So here are the animals, here are the people, here's the train, here is something which I don't know either. So let's get started. Okay, these are the train facts. So here's our train, half of the train, and let's mend this back. Let's go with this. Okay, so let's open the animals. Okay, everything is open. Let's take them out and make our zoo. Okay, so this is a mama giraffe. She is yellow and brown. Dots. Look at that. Now let's keep it over here. And here is baby giraffe, same as mama giraffe. Yellow and brown. Now let's do that. Here is an elephant. It's gray in color. And this is a tree. Let's check this out. Ooh. Oh, they're building blocks. If you have these and have a baby sister or baby brother, make sure they don't touch the edges. It can be pointy. I built it back. I'm going to take off one block. Now this is a monkey that's black and clean. The face is clean and the whole monkey is black. And over here. This is a bear! Wow! And it is brown in color. This is a zebra, black and white. The stripes are white. And over here is... So the stripes are black. And over here is black. And the whole zebra is white. Oh, and this is also black. Here's an alligator. Cow. Owl. And it's green in color, all green, and the teeth are white. Let's keep it away from the nice animals for each of those. This is a lion, the king of the jungle. Its fur, these two are brown, and this whole thing is yellow. Here is a tiger. It looks like it has stuff inside. All the stripes are black, and this whole thing is white. I mean orange. Okay, so all our animals is over. Okay, so if we're gonna build the zoo, we have to remove these animals, this tree and this bush on the table, and we build the zoo. Okay, so here are all the animals and 2 bushes, 1 tree. So let's get started to build the track. So we've got everything ready. And let's put every animal in a circle. Here's baby elephant. You didn't see that before because he was in the cart. Here's mama elephant. Here's giraffe. Sorry. Here's baby giraffe. Here's mama giraffe. Here's the tree in the middle. Here's an alligator. Here's a tiger. Roar! Okay. Here's a bear. Here's a monkey. Here's the king of the jungle. So everyone needs to follow the king of the jungle. He's the king. Now here's a wild bush. He's torn me. Okay, so let's put the monkey on the tree like I made the king of the jungle lead the way. He's sitting on above the tree. So now let's try and move. One whole round so they can see the old zoo. Then they can get to work. She's got 2 jobs. They've got 1 job. Going. Go do your work once I drop. First work. Oh, I'll have to drop you off. Bye. Both of you get off now. Okay, so I dropped these people at work and bye. I've got to do my studies. See you next time. Bye. The Issy Missy Show. everyone, my name is Israt and I'm also known as Issy, and you're watching the Issy Missy Show. Today I'm going to teach animals. I have some fun animal erasers, but these are just some small ones. We'll do that later. So let's open small to big. Let's open this one first. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 animals. This is just an egg. Okay, so let's first open the packet. I got that one. And a secret about butterflies in my... So, this duck hatched out of this egg, like this. So we will take the duck out, and here's the hatched egg. Here's the duck that came out. Here's an owl. Hoot, hoot. Owls stay awake all night, and they're always quiet when they're flying. And butterflies, I know a good secret about them. And here is, I showed you this egg. And here's a pink duck. Quack, 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 quack. And let's move on to the bigger one. A bigger packet because of the alligator. And now it's time to open them. Okay, so this is a alligator. Snap. The mouth open. Snap, snap. And this is a turtle. Go slow. Go slow. If the head can go down, let's see. Here's the tortoise. Here's the shell. And let's see if the head can go down. No, it can't. Stuck together. Okay, and here's a duck. Quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. And here is our biggest animal here, a hippopotamus. Okay, and it's blue in color, green, yellow and green and yellow and red, and the last color is blue, just blue. Now, let's move to the bigger one. I can do this one. Children, do it! I've done this one before. Here is our starfish. La 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 la. It's blue in color, and the eyes are white and black. Eyeballs black, and the whole eye white. Here is a crab. Snap, snap. And the eyes are black and white. The eyeballs black, the whole eyes white. Here is a tortoise. It's all green in color. Here is its eyes, black and white. Black for the eyeballs and white for the outside of the eye. Last one. Then we'll move on to the last packet. Okay, here is a pink fishy, which I also have one fish. It has 2 eyes. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2. Okay, so let's move on to the last one. Okay, so here is an blue elephant, and here is a hippopotamus. This is a rhinoceros. Pink lion, the king of the jungle. Okay, so let's make the animals stand up. I know which team is gonna win. Let's make it into a card competition. I think I know who's going to win. Okay, so these are the ones. Okay, I think the long one is better because it has these marks. So bye! Keep watching the Issy Missy Show. I'll be back soon. Bye!